In 2025, or maybe 2026, since it's just a stone's throw away, we're surrounded by so much technology that you can clearly see two types of people: those who are anti-technology and those who are pro-technology. I'd say it's better to be pro-technology. And here's why. Autumn is here, the weather's cold, and it's raining like crazy. Let's say you've got a garage. What do you do when it rains? Get out of the car to open the gate or the garage door. In 2025, when I see it raining, I'm definitely not anti-technology anymore. In general, I want everything to work without me having to do anything special. Automation, you know, I want to feel like a king. And with the PNI Smart Home RG121 Smart Relay, you too can be the king of your own castle. So what does it do? Simple. It lets you control your garage door or gate remotely, right from your phone. Before we open the box, let me tell you what the RG121 promises. Basically, you become the kind of person who controls everything with a single touch. No more running through the rain or cold to open the garage. Everything happens easily, right from your phone. Automation at its finest. You command, the house reacts. Simple, efficient, royal. You just replace or install this relay in parallel with your garage door or motorized gate control button. This way, the smart relay takes over control of your garage door or gate, receiving open and close commands through the internet via the Tuya Smart app. Compatible with the Tuya app. To control the smart relay remotely while it's connected to the internet, wireless router, you need to download the Tuya Smart app, Android and iOS. This allows you to open or close your garage door or gate from anywhere, from your car or from home. What's in the box? Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got here. The RG121 Smart Relay. Compact, clean design with a Wi-Fi status LED. A micro USB cable for 5-volt power. Simple, no hassle. And a user manual, a quick guide for connecting to the Tuya app. Every piece is designed to be intuitive. No complicated setup, no messy cables. Just plug, connect, and you're good to go. How it works? Quick guide. All right, let's see how to set it up. Connect the RG121 to a 5-volt power source using the micro USB cable. Open the Tuya Smart app and follow the steps to add a new device. Once it's synced, you can control your garage door or gate directly from your phone. You can also share access with your family, so everyone can open the gate without keys or remotes. And you can even set up automation scenarios. For example, the gate opens automatically when you approach home or at a specific time without you having to lift a finger. Tips and recommendations. The Smart Relay is easy to install and comes with all the necessary accessories. You simply connect the relay's control wires to the wires from your garage door control button. Installation is straightforward. The RG121 is compatible with most garage and gate motors. The LED shows the connection status. Solid white equals connected, blinking equals waiting. Low power consumption, 5 volts via micro USB. You can even power it from a phone charger. Make sure to check the fuse and wire polarity before connecting to the motor. Basically, all you have to do is connect it, sync it, and you're the king in front of your gate. It also keeps your home safe. You'll know when your garage door opens without you activating it, thanks to notifications sent to your phone via the Tuya app, and you'll be alerted if you accidentally leave the garage door open. And that's pretty much it with the PNI Smart Home RG121. A small relay, but it makes you the king in front of your gate. No more running through the rain, no more getting out of your car, no more hunting for remotes. Everything opens with a single touch. Simple, fast, and elegant. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to make your life a little easier, give it a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment telling me what other smart gadget you'd like us to test. Have a great day, everyone!